Not sure how to use your LG AC remote? Model number AKB75075801. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your LG AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. The light-off button turns off the display light on the indoor unit, helping reduce brightness at night while the air conditioner continues to operate normally. Click the Comfort Air button to enjoy cooling that's truly comfortable. The AC automatically adjusts the airflow upward, so no cold air blows directly on you. Perfect for sleep, work, or relaxing without harsh drafts. Press the Mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. Fan speed lets you control how strong the air blows. Press it to cycle through low, medium, high, or auto fan levels. Whether you want a soft breeze or powerful cooling, it's just one click away. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. The energy control button reduces power consumption by limiting the cooling capacity of the air conditioner. When you press it, the AC adjusts its operation to save electricity while still maintaining a comfortable temperature. When you press and hold the energy control button for 3 seconds, the air conditioner activates the kilowatt control mode, which limits the maximum power usage. This helps manage electricity consumption efficiently. Press the jet mode button to activate powerful fast cooling or heating, running the AC at maximum fan speed for quick temperature adjustment. Air direction controls let you guide the airflow exactly where you want it. Use the vertical swing button to move the louvers up and down, and the horizontal swing button to adjust them left and right. Press and hold the swing button for about 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Room temperature button shows you the current temperature of your room, not the one you've set. Just press the button, and your AC displays the real-time room temperature on the screen. Diagnosis helps you troubleshoot your AC using Smart Diagnosis. Press and hold the button for 5 seconds, and your AC will send data to the LG ThinQ app or an LG service center. Press the function button and opens up extra features like sleep mode, filter clean alert, or air purification, depending on your model. It gives you quick access to smart functions for better control and comfort. The timer button allows you to set your AC to turn on or off automatically at a specified time. Change the time using the temperature up or down buttons, and the unit will follow the schedule for comfort and energy efficiency. Navigation arrows help you scroll through settings and adjust values. Use them to set the timer, change modes, or fine-tune temperature and fan options. Set/cancel is used to confirm or cancel settings like the timer or special modes. After adjusting any feature, press this button to lock it in or exit without saving. When you press the Cancel Timer button, any active on or off timer setting is immediately cleared, and the air conditioner reverts to regular manual operation. If your LG AC remote isn't working properly, the Reset button can restore it to factory settings. Just press the Reset pinhole, usually with a pin or paperclip, and the remote will reboot, clearing any errors or glitches. Now you know what every button on your LG AC remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.